In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Canva templates with a link. We'll cover how to quickly turn any design into a shareable template so others can open it and make their own copy. First, open your web browser and search for Canva, then go to the official site. If you already have it bookmarked, you can click it directly. Next, sign in with your account. Make sure you're on the correct workspace if you use multiple teams, since the share settings belong to the current workspace. If you're not signed in, some options won't appear. Once you're on the home page, find the design you want to turn into a template. You can use the search bar at the top to look up the title, browse your recent designs, or open it from your projects. Click it to open the editor. If you need to make last-minute tweaks like updating placeholder text or removing any personal information, do that now so the template is clean for others. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Share. This opens the sharing panel. Here, choose how others can access your template. If you want people to make their own copy without changing your original, select the option that lets them use it as a template. This creates a special link that forces a copy, so your design stays untouched. If you're collaborating and want teammates to edit the same file, choose Can Edit instead. For a preview-only link, pick Can View. Keep in mind, access choices can be limited by your organization or brand settings, so pick the option that fits your goal. With the right access selected, click Copy Link. Canva will place the link on your clipboard and you'll see a confirmation. You can now paste it into an email, chat, document, or course platform. If you chose the template option, anyone who opens it will land on a page that prompts them to use the design as a new file in their own account. A couple of quick tips before you go. Test the link in a private or incognito window to be sure it behaves the way you expect. Add a short note when you share the link, telling people whether it's a template, view only, or an editing link, so there's no confusion. And if you ever update the original design, you can copy a fresh link using the same share panel. That's it. You've just learned how to share Canva templates with a link in a few clicks.